Let's try to understand what is overfitting in AI. To understand that, let's take an example of student who is mainly focusing on the practical test paper. It's trying to memorize each and every question and each and every answer for that practical test. Now let's assume that he give the same practical test again. What do you feel? What will be the score? It will be a plus and 100 out of 100. But when he tried to give the real exam, that's on the final exam, where the question are being twisted and new question will be generated based on the concept, where student might not be able to perform well. Do you know the reason? The reason is that student just memorize the content instead of understanding the actual concept. So the same way AI will have this some kind of overfitting. Let's try to understand the same concept of student with the AI model. If you can see on the screen, this practical test is nothing the training data. That's what something student was trying to understand, and the same training data is AI model trying to understand. And the real exam is what the unseen problem for the AI model. If the AI model is given the any question from that particular test or training data, then it will be able to answer. But when unknown problem is being given to the AI model, it will not be able to justify the answer. And what student did, it tried to memorize the answer. The same way AI model will be doing overfitting very specific for that particular training data. And the true understanding for the student is what? Understanding the concept. The same way for the AI model, that's generalize the concept, generalized pattern. When we can consider AI model is been overfitted, when the model is been overtrained on the data, and it also include the noise and the random fluctuation on the data pattern. So it's been overfitted with the training data set. This is called and considered as a overfitting of the data into the model. So how exactly we can identify that model is overfitted or not? So when like model is able to answer accurately on the training or testing data, but when the unknown problem comes or the real testing come for that model, at that moment accuracy can reduce down. That represent that model was been overtrained on the training data. You can see on the chart that the model is able to give the accuracy and accurate answer on the training side, while on the unknown data or complex data, the accuracy start getting a low. So it started reducing it down. This gap is known as a overfitting gap. So it's more like in a lab, AI model is able to answer everything because it's been familiar with the each and every problem for the given data. But on the real life problem, it's not be able to answer the problem. The goal is to teach the AI it's the underlying pattern and the concept, not to just memorize whatever the training data we have. I hope you are able to understand what is the overfitting. Every day I try to solve such kind of complex term in an easy way, so any executive or non-technical person can easily understand. Thank you.